Good day, guys. So we are going to be interviewing another vendor for the Abacha Festival. So, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
What do you think about this Abacha Fiesta?
Wow, it's a lovely outing. Different people are showing the different delicacies they have, and that's a wonderful one. Celebrating Abacha in Rivers State. Are majorly Enugu state food. Their delicacies, and I am from Enugu, so that's why I'm representing them with these delicacies.
Wow, this is an all-for-two mama, you know.
Yes.
What are your advice to those people out there that have not tested Abacha before?
Not just the people who have not tasted Abacha, the people who have not tasted Enugu Abacha, because there's a difference. If you've not tried it, it's important you try either Enugu Abacha or Upper Enugu. You will see the difference. You will see the difference.
Wow, this is very interesting. Hope you guys are listening. So, ma, can you tell the viewers to subscribe to Adamazi TV?
Please, if you're viewing this, subscribe to Adamazi TV on YouTube, right? Yeah, please, 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 make sure you subscribe to Adamazi TV. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, ma'am.
If I show you my pocket, so ready, are you gonna dance? 1, 2, 3, 4. I will show you the money. Baby, I saw you. You don't have somebody, you don't have
So, why are you here today?
To generally have fun, connect with people after a hectic week.
Wow, that's very good. So, what's that special thing about Abacha that brought you here today?
It's necessary to come have fun. You know, make sure good people get their connects.
Wow, that's very good. So, what's your advice to those people that have not tested Abacha before?
My advice to you, you are missing, if you never test Abacha, you will miss. Like, it's one Nigerian delicacy that I think everybody should try out.
So, can you help us tell our viewers to subscribe to Adamazi TV?
Okay, I urge everybody, you guys should subscribe to Adamazi TV.
Thank you very much, guys. Good day, sir. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, you're looking very good today.
Thank you very much, you too.
So, what are you doing here today?
I'm a guest artist.
Oh, that's very good. So, my name is Chisom Chikelu. Can you introduce yourself to the public?
Yeah, what's up, everybody? I'm the leader of the park, A to the I to the M-E-N, Amen. And I'm here performing live at Abacha Fiesta.
Oh, that's very good. So, what's that interesting thing about Abacha that brought you here today?
Yeah, it's been a great event in the past years. As a matter of fact, I was here last year, and I told myself that next time I'll be on stage. And actually, this is a dream coming to pass right now.
Wow, that's very interesting to hear. So, what is your advice to those people out there that have not tested Abacha before?
Yeah, I think it's a really great show. If you're not here and you're not planning to be here today, you're missing out. And if you're not here this year, you should plan to be here next year, because this is one of the biggest show and fiesta in Port Harcourt City.
That's very good. So can you help us tell our viewers to subscribe to Adamazi TV?
What did you say?
Can you help us tell our viewers to subscribe to Adamazi TV?
What's up, viewers? This is the leader of the park, A to the I to the M-E-N, Amen. And if you're watching this, please subscribe to Adamazi TV. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. All right. Good day, sir. Wow, you're looking very good.
Thank you.
Wow. So, my name is Chisom Chikelu. What's your name?
Culture Boss.
Abacha, what do you think about the whole thing Abacha Fiesta?
For me, it's everything for me, because where I come from, it's one of our main dish. We call it insisa. That's the main dish. So I'm connecting naturally with the event. Apart from connecting with people, food. Yeah.
That's very good. So what's your advice to those people that have not tested Abacha before?
If you've not tested Abacha, you've not started. You've not started at all. If you come to this place and you don't test Abacha and you leave, it's not complete now.
I hope you guys are listening. If you have not tested Abacha before, you are missing a lot. Okay, sir. So what do you think is the connection between Abacha and the Nigerian culture, like Igbo culture?
It's you know, Abacha is mostly known from the Igbo tribe. Igbo is part of Nigeria, so it's connected. You cannot remove the Igbo tribe from Nigeria. So every Abacha is Nigeria.
And tell people to subscribe to Adamazi Tv.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Culture Boss. If you've not subscribed to Adamazi TV, please do so now. Please.
Thank you.
Before we call this on, who's on another one? I need the last one. Listen. Mama, go your ways. Mama, go your ways. Mama, go your ways. Mama, go your ways. Body count of 10, go your ways. You go shake your waist, go your waist. If you shake and wear, go your waist. Serious thing for you right now. Yeah, go your waist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah, go! Shake up. I don't want to clap for them. Clap for them. You know they see. Sister, why they run? If you do small, you run. You do small, you run. There's nothing I want to go. No, you know that's again. Come. Come, give me the one. Come.
We can do this guy to do that. You know, if you like another,
all right. Who win? Wait. Come, Nigeria for time. Come here. Wait the boy. Chairman, you're too much. You're a good man. It's not that the men they fuck up. No. You know say women get that. Men don't want to support them at all. What's in man do man? I don't know. All right. Now the guy ain't win. Now the guy win. No. I put them together for them. They're too much. Everybody form a circle now. Form a circle. Let's do it. A big circle. Yes. Oh yeah. Mamandolo. I I progress. God bless you, I want to bless. My God, I will try you choose. I will bless my family one. I want to bless my pillow. The two that they do, the same one. Some bless that. I sing us. Are you ready? Are you ready? Nigga, put it in Bulu, and it's something. Listen, Imani Wiginishi, Imani Wiginishi, Ikara. Come on. Who's here? Who's here? Imani Wiginishi, Imani Wiginishi, Ikara. sustainable.